Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. We're going shopping at Costco today. We haven't gone to Costco since before Christmas.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Has it been that long? We are out of almost everything. We're excited to see what's new. And I did make a list this time, so I have brought my notebook with my list on it, and yeah, we're out of everything. So we're gonna go in, we're gonna take you guys with us. We came on a day that luckily wasn't busy. The parking lot's pretty empty, so it's good. Looking forward to a hopefully hassle-free shopping trip.
I think we have to do a little bit lighter on freezer stuff and more refrigerated because our garage fridge and freezer are out.
Yep. And
our freezer's pretty full still, but refrigerator's pretty empty.
Yeah, so we'll be keeping that in consideration when we are shopping in the freezer section for sure. But I'm excited to see what they have that's new. So, oh, and if you guys are new, make sure you're subscribed to this channel if you like Costco shopping content. I also do holiday videos and some travel stuff. And what else do I do? Lots of things on here.
Lots of fun stuff.
I'm going to be doing a series on like Amazon favorites coming up this spring. So
are you going to do some mom stuff too?
Yes.
So if you don't know, Melissa's pregnant. We're pregnant. I don't think that's actually something I would say, but she's pregnant.
Yeah, so I'm almost 20 weeks. I'm like 19 and a half weeks right now. I'm actually going to be doing a pregnancy Q&A that's probably going to be going up like right after this video.
Nice.
So actually, if you guys have any questions for that, you can leave them down in the comments below.
Or on her Instagram.
Oh,
go to her Instagram, check it out there.
Put it on the screen here?
I'm really hot. I'm in the sun. I'm wearing this like buffalo check
We're going to go in. We're taking you guys with us. Let's go. So we made it to produce, and I'm not sure what we're gonna get yet. I always just kind of look and see like what looks the most fresh. The kids, I feel like they've been out of like their cutie phase. Like we bought some around Christmas and they didn't finish them. So I don't know, do you think we should try them again?
Yeah, I think so. We should, grapefruits for sure, and then I know you've been having limes.
I've been craving grapefruit like so much. So yeah, if they have grapefruit for sure.
They do. They have a bunch all kind of around the oranges here. Okay,
we'll definitely grab those. And maybe some other citrus like limes for like water. I know the kids have been making lemonades. So maybe lemons would be good. Yeah. They have a lot of stuff also. It smells like blueberry muffins over here because the baker's in the back. So we're probably going to get some of those too. Like I walked over here and was like, oh my gosh, it smells so good.
What are you doing?
We're going to get some bananas. I see that these boxes over here have like really yellow bananas. But these ones have green, so typically I get like one green banana and one yellow banana so they can like last longer. They'll have some this week and some for next week. And I really want this one that's like back here, but I feel like I have to move the box.
Yeah, I was gonna say, what are you doing? You're moving all of them?
This one.
Oh, that one is perfect?
This one looks good. This is the one I want.
I'm not at all surprised that Melissa is looking at these tomatoes because she has been eating tomatoes like crazy.
I have, and so I saw these on the other side, but now that I see that they have like the rainbow ones, I'm kind of wanting those instead.
Get it, switcheroo.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. I do love tomatoes. Also, this kind's really good. Like right here, the little cherry ones on the vine.
Yeah, they're cute too. So I grabbed some broccoli and some little salad kits here. Those would be really good. And I got some fresh raspberries and blueberries. And Melissa
tons of
has
veggies.
Got a ton of stuff.
Yeah, did you grab salad?
I did. I just grabbed 2 of those.
Okay, so yeah, salad's good. Maybe some spinach. Like I think it's really good to always have like fruits and veggies on hand. And Costco's like the best price typically for that, so we're stocking up for sure.
It's a mountain of muffins.
They have my favorite kind. So the best muffins, in my opinion, that Costco has are the poppy seed. The almond poppy seed, and last time we came I was so upset because they were making like a seasonal muffin instead, which is fine. I mean, I think it was like apple or chocolate or something. And
it's $8 for 2 6-packs, so
yes, they used to be $5.99, but I mean I think it's still a good deal even though they raised the price a little bit.
No, it's still a good deal.
I always wrap them in tin foil and freeze them, and then I just pull them out as we need them, which really is awesome. So I highly recommend that if you haven't tried it. All right, we're in the meat department now. We actually already have a ton of chicken, but I did need ground turkey, so I grabbed some of that. And Jeff was just saying how he loves that they have like seafood now year round.
I think it's because they aren't handling it and they're pre-packaging it instead. So it's easier for them just to leave out.
So our kids also really like fish, so we might get something today, like maybe some salmon. That sounds good. The kids really like salmon. Or shrimp, yeah. The kids really like shrimp.
Shrimp, for sure.
Shrimp, the football game, big football game's coming up on Sunday, so Jeff's gonna want lots of snacks. So we ended up getting some salmon and also some shrimp, but we got the pre-cooked shrimp. Let me show you guys. This one is like awesome, so I think it's already like ready to go. We're just gonna have that for dinner tonight, and then we'll cook this later in the week. Jeff just grabbed eggs and milk. We drink almond milk, and the kids really like this Silk brand, so we're gonna grab a bunch of it, 2 or 3 in each container.
3.
So perfect. So that'll take up some room in the fridge, but Our kids go through it like so fast, like one every 2 days.
Yeah, every couple days.
It's like insane how fast they go through it with like everybody eating cereal for breakfast. There's also always like a bunch of deals that they have kind of like on these end caps of the freezers. Whoa.
And they only have, for the milk though, they only have it with cereal. So that's why they go through it fast, is because you have 6 people having cereal every day.
Right? What do you think about stuff like this, like
How
the
about
lobster
this?
bisque or the
The
teriyaki?
discount.
Yeah, that's the discount. That's what I was just talking about. Like they put stuff that's on sale. I mean, this is probably pretty good. I always like to try new things. Jeff in the car said today that he wanted to get a bunch of stuff he'd never tried before. Thought I lost you for a minute.
Oh, I got the chickens.
Oh, perfect. Yeah, when I walked by, they were still packaging them up. So we always get 2 chickens. It's like the best deal at Costco. So we'll have chicken salad for dinner tonight. Heading back to the very, very far back to see if they have paper products, which it looks like they do.
I thought like 6 months ago, it was gone.
Oh my gosh, remember we couldn't get toilet paper or paper towels anywhere. So we're out of pretty much everything. So we're gonna grab those, and Jeff also grabbed some Ziplocs. We'll be back to buy diapers soon. So we're getting some lunch meat now. I think ham instead of turkey. The kids have been preferring ham lately. Also, we're gonna get some Canadian bacon because it just sounds really good, like Canadian bacon and eggs.
I think Canadian bacon is ham.
I also think it's ham.
So we're getting ham and ham.
Ham and ham? Yeah, that sounds right. So we've moved along to like the canned goods aisles. We are out of tomato paste, so I'm grabbing some. It's like the best price here. It's less than $1 a can. And I think we need green beans and canned corn. So we'll look for that too. They kind of have a couple aisles where stuff's kind of scattered all around. But it's a great place to stock up for pantry staples if you like to buy things 12 cans at a time. I am so glad they have these.
Hey.
I'm glad I have you too. But Spindrift is amazing. I've been drinking it every day. It's been like, I don't know, just like a huge pregnancy craving to have like the flavored water. And this is my favorite brand, so I'm really excited. Jeff's also getting a couple other options for mostly him. I stopped drinking diet soda like 5 years ago, and I don't really drink a lot of like this type of stuff either. But you like it still.
I like a little flavor.
Oh my gosh, honey, look what they have.
Uh-oh. Buy them all.
These are the best. If you guys have not tried these, highly recommend. These are like amazing with coffee in the morning.
Yeah, I got some off of Amazon, but they're like inferior in every way. These are way
That's
better.
the best description. Inferior in every way is accurate. These are the best ones I've ever had. So we have 2 like pretty full, almost completely full carts. I'll show them to you guys real quick. This is mine. This is Jeff's. So should we have them guess how much they think the total is going to be?
Yeah.
What do you think it's going to be?
I'm going to guess $7.34.
Okay, Jeff and I always play this game when we go grocery
terrible.
shopping, and I usually win because yeah, he's pretty terrible at guessing the prices of things. But I'm gonna say, I'm gonna say $6.40. All right, you guys pause the video right now, and then you guys leave your guess down in the comments below, and I'll let you know right as soon as we check out what it actually was. And we're done. We're back in the car, and actually Jeff won this time because what was the total?
$740 and like 15 cents.
And I don't remember exactly what we said. I feel like you said like $7.30 or something.
I feel like I was close, $7.20.
Something like that.
You
So
guys know.
I guessed like $100 less. So you actually won for like the first time ever.
I'll tell you my secret. What I did. I decided it's usually about $350 a cart. That's what I went off of.
Okay. All right. Well, there you go. So if you guys are right, congrats. If not, you're like me, it's okay. Better luck next time. Is there anything else you want to say before we sign off here?
I don't think so.
I don't know. I think that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to leave some video suggestions down in the comments below if you have any, and I'll see you next time. Bye.